What is up, guys? Mike Wang here. Today, I'm back with another list of 5 small cap alts that could potentially blow up during this bull run. Again, just to be clear, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. So before we begin, make sure to obliterate the like button and subscribe. If you want to discuss more about the topics I cover on my YouTube channel, make sure to visit my website and join my community. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first coin I want to discuss with you guys is Convergence Finance. This is a decentralized interchangeable assets protocol, and they're bringing real assets to DeFi by providing liquidity with AMM. And what I particularly like about this project is how they have strong investors behind the project. So we have entities like AU21, DuckDAO, NGC, Alameda, and Hashed. And for this particular project, the market cap is currently at $68 million, which is very, very low. It's less than $100 million. And this, I feel like, has a lot of growth potential. So if we move on to the technicals, based on the chart we can see on Gates.io, this is what we see for the chart on Convergence for the hourly chart. So what we have here is the Fibonacci retracement level, and we have the descending trendline resistance, which we have managed to break through. And we have currently formed a small inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the hourly. And on the bigger frame as well, it seems like we are forming a reverse head and shoulders pattern. So what I would like to see is a break through the 0.382 resistance and then the 0.236 resistance, breaking out through the all-time high levels. The second coin I want to discuss with you guys is Tidal Finance. This is, simply put, it offers DeFi insurance. So it's a platform that insures assets across chains in custom balanced liquidity pools, as you guys can see here. And for this project as well, there are strong investors behind this project, like AU21 again, NGC is here as well. And for this particular project, it's funny because the market cap is at a mere $21 million, which is super low, at least to my standards. So if we take a look at the chart for this project as well, this is the chart we can see on Gate.io for Tidal on the USDT pair, and drawing a Fibonacci retracement. Again, here we can see that the price perfectly bounced on the 0.786 support, and it's currently broken out of the 0.618 resistance, and it's consolidating above at that level. It has also managed to break through the descending trendline resistance, so I anticipate a pop and a reclamation of the bigger trend line over here, as we can see. And yeah, and based on how small the market cap is for this project, I feel like there could be a huge upside here as well. The third project that I want to discuss with you guys is called Mina Protocol, and this to me is a no-brainer. The token sale is coming soon via CoinList right here. You can see all the details in the CoinList blog. And this is basically the lightest blockchain, which is about 22 kilobytes big. So it's fundamentally a very revolutionary protocol that solves the problem of scalability, which a lot of blockchain projects had. And so there's a lot of hype behind the project as well. And one thing I want you guys to know about this project is that there's so many scams regarding this project right here. So you'll see a lot of fake Telegram groups claiming to be the official Mina group and claiming that they're doing a token sale, a quick whitelist token sale that'll last for like an hour or something, and they'll invite you into these false groups and you'll basically become victims of scams. So make sure you are joining the community via the website here. So you see the Telegram community, the Discord community, and all that. Make sure you're joining the right group so that you don't get scammed. There's so many scammers pretending to be the Mina team because of how prominent this project is. And I anticipate a very successful CoinList sale to come soon as well. So this is a project you should definitely have your eye on. The fourth project I want to talk to you guys about is a project called Xend Finance. So this is a project that's based in Nigeria and allows credit unions and cooperatives anywhere in the world to channel capital into savings and earn higher interest in stablecoins. So this project is backed by serious entities as well. It's backed by entities like Binance Labs, Google Launchpad, and AU21 again. This one also has a very small market cap of $29 million. And I feel like this is a coin that's highly likely to get listed on Binance in the near future, but you should also beware of the lockup supply getting released. So make sure you know when these tokens are getting released so you can avoid getting everyone else's bag stumps on you. The last project I want to go over with you guys is a project called Anchor Protocol. And Anchor is a protocol that builds the reference interest rate across the universe of blockchains. And they recently airdropped Anchor tokens to Luna holders. And you guys can probably see that this is also listed on certain exchanges like OKX and KuCoin. But there isn't any meaningful TA to be done due to the lack of trading history for this coin. Not that there was any meaningful history for the other coins that I just did TA on, but for this project, what I also like about it is how they're strong investors. So this is what I really like to look for when I'm looking to invest in small cap altcoins, because when you're a small cap altcoin, you basically have to prove yourself. And one of the ways to do so is to have big name investors behind the project to guarantee that the project is fundamentally solid. So again, here we see entities like Alameda Research, Pantera, Hashed, and there's some strong investors behind this project as well. What I particularly like about this project is how the Anchor team has had success in its previous projects like the Luna ecosystem, which did a whopping 150x during this bull run. So I have a lot of hope for Anchor as well. And while this isn't financial advice that I'm providing here in my video, but if you were to do your own research and make the conscious decision to invest in one of these projects, keep in mind that these are very low cap altcoins. They haven't yet gone through the price discovery phase, so you will need a lot of patience. But with these being low cap altcoins, that also indicates that there are high potential rewards behind these projects. So make sure to do your own research and get into the ones that you think are prominent and be patient. That is the key to the game. So that is it for today, guys. These are the 5 small cap altcoins that I have my eyes on that I think could potentially blow up during this bull run. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button. Really, seriously, do it now before you forget it. And subscribe for more quality content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.